Welcome to Daryn Klein Racing. It's Monday the 29th, about 5 o'clock. We didn't do nothing on this thing over the weekend with being rained out. I was on my way here Saturday when they rained Highland out. Doug and I took the opportunity to run to 5D Speed Shop, got 2 barrels of fuel, went by Daryn's and picked up a barrel of oil so we can change the oil in this thing this week. Doug's working on some plates for the trailer. We still have these shirts available in blue and tan on the website. Link in the description below to the website if you'd like to buy them. I think everybody's going to be out here tomorrow night. We'll get the fenders on, get that panel bent up, the door put on. Dave and Daryn's going to check the toe and caster and camber after we had it all apart. Did find a couple bent bolts, but no bent components on the front end, so make sure everything's kosher with that. Stick around.
I don't know.
You might have to put 4 in it.
Yeah, I'm thinking the same thing.
Why trailer manufacturers, when you build ramp overs, do you put the outlet way down here, protruded out from the wall 2 inches so everything could catch on it? We relocated this outlet up to here on both sides, so it's up out of the way of the car. Because if you don't get that car in there just perfect, inevitably something on the car catches it. So we're doing away with that problem. Oil's changed. She was dirty after 5 nights.
I'm gonna let you hold it.
Oh, you want me to take the bath, huh?
I can hold it if you want to pour it.
That's fine. Whatever. It makes me no difference.
Let's put some carpet. I don't know if it does or not.
I think it will.
I'm thinking it will too. Because there's no spout on it.
You are so consistent with somebody that we can count on. You've got such great stage presence.
She's dirty.
You got the
Oh, it is dirty.
Yeah, it is. It did. Put your finger in it. Because looking at it in the funnel.
Well, yeah, it's not that bad.
No. Look at, watch what goes down. See what I'm saying?
Yeah.
If it was dirty, you wouldn't see that. It'd be black. There you can kind
You
of
can
see
tell
it.
in the bottom of the pan.
It smells
It
used.
smells
though.
gassy, yeah.
It was incredible, man.
Well, it's Thursday night. We're back here at the shop. Got some new tires and new to us wheels. And one brand new one. Nicholas is going over it. Got a wrap to put on the front end. If you like what you're seeing, now would be a good time to hit that thumbs up button. Drop us a comment. Let us know what you think. Also, getting comments of we should come here or come there. It's kind of hard for us to go much farther than 2 to 3 hours from home because all of us have full-time jobs besides this. And Dave, Daryn, and I are all in the service department here at the store. And all 3 service guys can't be gone at the same time. So we may venture out eventually, but right now Daryn's focused on the Bi-State Battle Championship, leading the points right now and want to stay that way. So unless something changes, we'll probably be here close to home or within that 2.5 to 3 hour range.
Unless you want to spend some money and send us somewhere.
Yeah, Sponsorship's always welcome. Putting a wrap on a car sucks. Aggressive makes it look so easy, but I guess when you do it every day, it's nothing for them. Trying to get bubbles out. Well, the old girl's done. All we got to do is put wheels and tires on it. She's ready to go in the box. The plan is Brownstown tomorrow and Peebly on Saturday. However, that is the current radar. And it is right over there. I don't know if you can see the clouds in the camera, but it's starting to darken up over there. Saturday is not supposed to rain till about hot lap time at Peebly, so we'll see what happens there as well. Thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying the content. If you are, hit that thumbs up button. Drop us a line. Drop us a comment. If you're not a subscriber, you can do so by hitting the picture, Daryn's race car, in the lower right hand corner. And follow on Facebook. We'll try and keep you updated on what's going on. Looking like it could very well be a washout all weekend again. Hopefully not 2 weekends in a row, but Mother Nature's not playing nice right now.